Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free online tool. And in today's video, I will show you on how to view or read any document, whatever file format you have that you find it difficult to view or read what is inside the folder or file. Just make sure you visit this particular website, upload the file, whatever upload the file or zip folder, and you are going to see what is inside the file. So for that, you can use any website browser. You can use any web browser available to you in this tutorial. I'm using Chrome browser. So next thing we want to do is to come to the address bar right here. Just make sure you visit this particular website right here and hit enter. On getting to this particular site, you can see free online document manipulation apps. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to the viewer tab. So under the viewer tab, you can view documents like docs, Excel, PowerPoint, and many more files online with free viewer. One thing about this site here is that you have 3 documents per day that you can use to view. So what you need to do right here, and the maximum file size should not be more than 20 megabytes right here. So you can see the file size should not be more than 20 megabytes. So what you need to do is to click on browse file right here. So I have different files. This is a SPS file. So if I click on here and I open, it's going to load and preview the file. So let's test it out. So click on open, and then once you upload the file, allow the file to process, and then in a few seconds, it's going to process the file and open the content inside that particular file. You can use this method to view and then see different kind of file, just like so. You can see it's been prepared to load the preview, just like so. You can read the details about the file right here, and then you can easily click on download as PDF. There's no need of you being logged in before you have access to this site. So let's go back here and then upload file again. So you can use any file format. So I'm going to go ahead and come to my desktop right here, and I have some PSD file right here. So these are PSD file folders that we can easily upload. Like for instance, if I upload this file, so like for instance, if I select on this particular file right here, this is a PSD file, and then you can see the file size is less than 20 megabytes, and I hit on open, and it's going to process the file. This is a PSD file for that matter. No matter how the file it is, it's going to load and process the file, provided that the file size is not beyond 20 megabytes, and then it's going to process and analyze it. And in a few seconds, you are going to see the content inside the file. You can do this on PC and on phone as the case may be, provided that you have access to internet and you have the file ready in zip folder, file, or any file format. You can use it to upload, or you can use it to view any document as the case may be.